next generation of lethal ammunition for the modern battlefield is here, with the M1147 AMP multi-purpose round. A highly advanced 120mm ammunition, designed for use in the M102 main battle tank by the U.S. Army. Developed by Northrop Grumman, it redefines versatility and survivability, replacing 4 previously used tactical rounds. M1147 can engage a variety of targets, ranging from armored vehicles and bunkers, even with the most thickest armor, to military personnel. It also has a range of 8,000 meters, making it ideal even in long-range attack missions. Interestingly, the ammunition can be used to 2 different modes: point detonating and delay detonating. Based on the nature of the target and the situation, if M1147 is used in point detonating mode, it detonates on impact without first piercing the target, which means a blast is technically delivered to the target. On the other hand, if the ammunition is used in delayed detonating mode, it first penetrates the target and then blasts. These mode selection can also be altered mid-flight, which makes it flexible and adaptable in case of a changed situation. M1147 is definitely a formidable weapon in modern warfare. What do you think about this lethal asset possessed by the U.S. Army?